and
Sarah.
and she's on my new channel, so please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. So today we're going to be trying homemade slimes we both made but failed. Some didn't, but it depends.
Some of them are too sticky and stuff.
So let's get started. The first one, it's this nice tealish pink. I don't think you can see it.
Not really
in
teal.
the
It's just
camera.
like the dark pink.
It's like a nice plate.
Okay, so
it
first
feels
of all,
like putty.
yeah, it's super tough. Like it's not, like
best.
nice, and you can't really,
Touch it up
poke
fast.
it.
And it cannot make bubbles at least.
Here's like
It's like a
you
magenta.
can't really see like the real color on
because
it on
it's
the
a
camera.
camera.
See, you can kind of see it.
As you can see, and it's not the best. I would recommend it a 6 out of a 10.
We're gonna rate these on a scale to 1 to 10. So I'd probably rate it a 5.
Yeah, a 5. No,
Okay.
6.
So next is
foam
slime.
As you can see, it's a
It's
nice
teal.
foamy slime.
Teal.
It's a nice
it feels super nice, but it's super messy. I would not recommend this bringing to school for a fidget because it's super messy and
I think the janitor would never.
yeah.
Well,
I'd probably rate it a 7 because it's super fun to play with. The color is super pretty, but it's way too messy.
I would rate it a 10 out of a 10. But it's a bit too sticky and a bit too messy.
It smells very good though. The next one
so
is
now it's blue sky slime,
yeah.
which is like
It's super pretty color. Okay.
it did have beads on the bottom of the slime.
Oh.
I think they got lost.
I think this one is super. Oh my gosh! I think this one is not really something. Wait, it's like
slime you
it's
could
not
stretch.
stretchy. It's not pokey. It feels like hard Jello that you can break but put back together. I probably rate it a 4 or 5 out of 10.
4.
It's not really that good. The next
So
one
now
is
this is crunchy slime.
it's called Gold Rush. It's crunchy slime.
We did name these.
Ooh, super pretty color. We did name these. Yeah. Okay.
It's a very sticky slime, but very nice slime.
It's way too sticky, super messy, and
It isn't that messy, so I would rate it a 10 out of a 10 again.
I wouldn't. I'll probably rate it like a 6 or 7. Next one is
Wait.
after we get it. Okay.
So the next one is
find it. Okay, it's called Milky Way.
Milky Way. It's a type of
It's all black, and when you open it, it kind of looks like a marshmallow, like a melted type of marshmallow.
like s'mores,
Okay.
as you can see. So it's not the best slime, and it does make your hands black, which I do not like.
I think this one's super nice. It doesn't really make your hands too black. It feels kind of like a melted marshmallow. This one was definitely made with shaving cream or shaving foam.
And it depends. It doesn't matter.
It feels
All
like
of these slimes do have borax, by the way, and
But we researched and we're okay with borax. Nothing happens to our hands.
but you can get a 6-degree burn.
So just be careful if you have borax slime, just in case, because we know if you would get hurt or not, but we don't.
And these-
Look, see, it's not very
So I'm gonna show my favorite slime to you guys. You show yours.
I think my favorite slime is probably. I think it's probably either this one, or. I think my least favorite today was this one.
Pink one.
The pink one.
By the way, we do have like two more slimes. So guys, we found 2 more slimes.
The next one is this green sparkly butter slime.
I don't think you can see the glitter, but
it is glittery. Super hard to see. Like there's a bit black slime in it though from last time, which kind of messed it up. But
we can't even see it in person either.
it's really hard to see. But if you do look closely, there is glitter. But I think this is probably my favorite out of all of them. Some of them are just too jelly, not fun to play with, tough, messy. I don't know. There's one more, and this is from Lush, and let's open it.
I'll open it.
If I cannot open it, it's like I'm super.
Oh, it's like this Play-Doh consistency.
It's I know what this is. It's called Fun Soap. It's like clay.
We actually made it, and I do have one more slime actually, and I'll just bring it. So we couldn't find the last slime.
Sorry, guys.
But we only had 8 slimes we showed you, and they're actually very, very good. And watch part 2 of my video. I did already, but I couldn't do part 1 because it actually was pretty hard.
So then this is technically part 1 then.
Yeah, and then
There might be a part 2 if we can make more.
if you tell us to do any videos, we may do it. And please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys.